So, welcome to 18 Turf Ave in Burlington, Vermont. This is in the new north end of Burlington, the NNE as they call it. And this house is kind of in the middle where there's a lot of houses back here, kind of these smaller ranches, 900 to 1,200 square feet, those type of things. Great properties, nice little neighborhoods. This one here was bought by a developer, and he renovated top to bottom. Literally everything in here is brand new. As you can see, recessed lights, new sheetrock everywhere, new flooring, updated kitchen. So get into the kitchen here, and you've got kind of two living rooms. You've got this one that's sort of like an eat-in kitchen attached to a living room area with this nice fireplace they put in. That's a gas fireplace. It's pretty sweet. It throws a lot of heat out and looks really nice as well. Plus, you've got this backyard, which is kind of a plus in the city here in Burlington. We just checked out another Burlington property earlier with a nice backyard, and these are really nice to have. Breakfast bar right here for the family for breakfast or just to chill out, have a few beers. As you can see, the new flooring, the new lighting makes the whole place really pop right out. Kitchen here is butcher block countertops and a stainless steel farmer's sink. Kind of nice little touch in here. Appliances are all fairly new. Yeah, Drew is checking out the butcher block on the top there. That door goes out to the garage. We'll check that out in a minute. Washer and dryer to the right in that closet there. Let's get on the hallway and check out. This is a 2-bedroom. This is permitted as a 3-bedroom actually through the city, but the owners, several owners ago, have combined 2 of the bedrooms into one bigger bedroom. So this is kind of what we call the second bedroom right now, which has its own walkout slider to the deck. The deck is sweet. We'll go take a look there soon. New ceiling fans everywhere. A lot of windows were replaced. This property really is great for a first-time buyer because everything in here is new. So you need really nothing to do, nothing to replace anything. This is the bedroom where it used to be 2 bedrooms, and several owners ago they knocked a wall out and made a 3rd bedroom out of it. I'm sorry, took the 3rd bedroom out and made a large master. So it's a 2-bedroom functional, although it's permitted for 3. This is a big room, especially for these smaller ranch houses. As you can see, you look down the street, the houses are all pretty similar. They're all smaller, modest ranches. They're all in nice shape, a lot of pride of ownership in this neighborhood. As you can see, Drew is standing in the closet right now. And the wood floors, again, new lighting, new flooring, new trim, new doors. Here is the updated new bathroom with new tile on the floor, a double vanity sink, a new shower stall as well, and cool barn sliders for the doors under the cabinets, under the sink. And that spot right here, just behind me to the left, used to be where a stackable washer and dryer was, and it wasn't very functional. So the owner actually added a new area off of the kitchen to put the washer and dryer. Hey, folks. Okay, Drew and I are going to head out and go down the hallway here a little bit into the main living room area. And lots of space in here, if you can see, just pops right open. Here's the new area they built for the washer and dryer. It's just a little better, even though it's in a strange spot. You got to do what you can do with these smaller houses. And the stackable in the bathroom just wasn't getting it done. It wasn't big enough, and it was really taking up that bathroom space. So back into the kitchen, got living room behind me, and then that kind of eat-in sort of den area in front of me. And now we're going to go to the garage, which here they have just sheetrocked and insulated. There will be a new garage door opener going in, and that little box here to the left, as you can see, that's where the washer and dryer kind of bumped out of the living room there because they needed to make a better space for it. Head outside here. It's partially fenced. You just need to kind of fence off that little area from the house to the side, and same on the other. And you could lock your dogs in there. This deck is, the deck's got to be, I don't even want to guess the price, insane amount of money. Rockwood Construction built this deck. They do a lot of great decks. Cement poured piers, big pilings into the ground. The backyard here, again, for New North End, this is a spacious backyard. That's Trex decking on there, composite railings. This deck is made to hold a hot tub. It's been rated for that. So you got a lot of space to work with out on the deck. I love the Trex decking. So we'll go downstairs. There is a complete basement down here, which if you did go through the process to get the window sized portion for an egress, you could get a permit down here and make another finished space down here, put a bedroom or something in. It's dry. It is super nice down here. It's warm. You can see the new heating system. This is a brand new on-demand hot water heating system. Gas fired from Vermont Gas. Comes right off the street. Beautiful, beautiful setup. New electrical, new box, panel, new wiring. There is a lot of things going for this house. Plumbing, brand new. Electrical, brand new. Furnace, brand new. Flooring, brand new. Most of the lighting fixtures, brand new. Insulation, brand new. Sheetrock, trim, doors. The back deck. The deck really is pretty sweet. I'm going to go up there and take a look. Built super solid. Built to hold a big, fat hot tub, if you want to put one in. Trex decking, composite railings. Slider goes into the kitchen area right there, as you can see, into the kitchen. And then you come around, and you've got this big open space here, and that goes into the second bedroom, where Drew is standing right now. But this space is really big. I mean, put a hot tub here, sure, but you could also put tables, chairs, umbrellas, really enjoy it. And here we are, going back into the house again, to the second bedroom, which is attached with a slider off to the porch. So we'll come right through here again. Big, spacious living room. It's so bright and sunny. I mean, the lights are on, sure, but this is a bright, bright house. A lot of sunlight coming in, lots of windows. I really like what they've done here with this setup. So now let's pop back outside, and there's that little shed back there. It looks to me like you could put a mini pony in there or something, but in Burlington, you can have chickens. 6 female chickens, no roosters, although I've heard some people do get the roosters in there, but you can put 6 chickens, have a chicken coop, or a pony. But with the price of eggs right now, you'd be better off getting yourself some chickens, 6 females. Get some eggs. All right, 18 Turf Ave, Burlington, Vermont, New North End. Come check it out. Love to see it. And remember, subscribe to hear some more information about Vermont property. Talk to you soon.